How to install UPS mobile app. So just tap get obviously, and then you will just be able to install it. Super easy way to manage shipments and track all your packages just on your fingertips. Easily manage all of that, find GPS locations and much more with UPS mobile app. Download UPS mobile app to track, find and follow your deliveries in transit, update your delivery location or change your delivery date, get delivery alerts to know when your package will arrive, estimate shipping costs and delivery times, take package dimensions with in-app measurement tool. So a lot of handy features which you can try and use. So yeah, then you just select your country, territory, select your language, and then just tap continue, and then yeah, you will be able to install it. And then yeah, if you want, you can go and sign up here. Just log in with your UPS account. So yeah, that's the idea.